Okay, there is usually a strange error that occurs when you try to install a plugin or do any update in WordPress. And this happens rarely, but when it happens, it can be frustrating. And this is what it says: connection information. So to perform the requested action, WordPress needs to access your web server. Please enter your FTP credentials to proceed. If you do not remember your credentials, you should contact your web host. And now, looking at this, you get to think in your head, I was actually using the site before now, but this now happened. So what is the solution? The solution is this way. So what you are going to do, it's simple. You go to your file server. So if you're using a cPanel, you could go to your cPanel file manager. If you are using FTP like me, just need to go to your FTP and you edit WP config. And I'm going to show you something on WP config. There is a particular sort of code you are going to put down somewhere here. I'm going to show you where you are going to put that. Now you see here that it says that's all, stop editing. So you are going to put a code here. And what is that code? Okay, so this is the code. Define fs method direct. And if I am done with this, all I need to do is Ctrl S, save, and I'll basically close. That's what I will do. Now, doing so means I have to just save. Now, if you're using FTP, you see the next thing is to tell you to finish the task and it uploads. Now, after this is done, what next? You come back here and refresh your site. Whatever you want to install earlier on. So I'm giving an example and I tap on update now. And so you see this issue has been resolved. So you no longer have that challenge of updating, putting your FTP details. So this is a lifesaver. So if you found this helpful, just remember to let me know, and I will try as much as possible to do other technical tutorials. So this is it for now.